Yeah, once again we are back on Ek Boond Soch Ki Tea Talk Train of Thoughts. Another episode with Mrs. Swati Solanke, a renowned career counselor in Mumbai. In this episode, we are going to check with ma'am in terms of an career cell and the academic enrichment teachers program which is there. Ma'am, can you throw some light on that?
Now, when I talk about Growth Center, wherein we are doing so many activities in schools, colleges, with organization, what happens is, especially when it comes to teachers, it's not that the teacher doesn't know, but the teachers are in their own world of teaching, taking care of the students. But when I see from the organization aspect, there could be a miss. Mm-hmm. We come across schools trying to figure out the teamwork aspect, the innovation aspect from the teachers, or something to do for the well-being of the students and parents together. Mm-hmm. Now, it's not that the teachers are not doing it, but maybe there is no structure towards it.
Structure, yeah.
Or maybe they are themselves finding less time because of their challenges of administrative as well as the academic work they have to do. Mm-hmm. But when it comes to teachers training, in the sense, the role effectiveness of a teacher becomes very important, because all said and done, teachers are the most influencing factor in any child's life. Mm-hmm. You ask a small child coming from the school, what would you like to become? टीचर
दे
वो बचपन में सब टीचर ही बोलते हैं, पर जैसे बड़े होते तब टीचर नहीं बोलते, वो अलग बात है. बट स्टिल देयर आर पीपल हु आर पैशनेट अबाउट टीचिंग. पर हमने ये देखा है कि देयर आर गुड एकेडमिशियंस हु आर वेरी गुड इन द टीचिंग एबिलिटी, देयर इज नो डाउट ऑन दैट. बट जब एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, ऐसा हम स्कूल एक आउटफिट या ऑर्गेनाइजेशन देखते हैं, तब थोड़ी गड़बड़ होती है.
करेक्ट.
They might be low on the teamwork, correct, or maybe innovation, correct, or maybe the risk taking ability, or maybe there could be something related to communication also. They might be very good in the technical subject. They might be having a fantastic feedback from the students also. But we are staying in the world wherein you need to learn, unlearn and relearn.
Correct.
Somewhere in the teaching aspect, the teachers have forgotten to learn and relearn.
Correct.
We always feel, or it is all confined to a syllabus.
Correct.
Or examination.
Correct.
वो जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना, जब हम जॉब में लग जाते हैं तो एक वो मंडेन सी एक्टिविटी हो जाती है. Sometimes there are teachers training program conducted by the government or something like that also. But bringing a fresh perspective towards, see, understand one thing. We as teachers, when we go, we see that we are at one age and the kids' age are way, the gap is too much.
Correct.
And to make the best of it, we need to remix with the generation.
Correct.
To make them understand the values, to make them do what is good in life also.
Correct.
So for this teachers enhancement program, teachers training program plays a vital role out here.
Correct.
And there need not be any inhibition, because sometimes it happens that I know it. Yes, you definitely know it. In fact, I always say you cannot teach a teacher.
Correct.
And the teacher teaches all the professionals. That's very true. But today's demands are different.
You have to be a learner throughout.
Learner throughout. And not a learner in the sense, not only to their subject.
Correct. Holistic approach.
And that's the teachers training program that we look into. It could be a 3-hour. Most of the schools take it for a full day's time. So we do such training programs, and we have seen, then there's a follow-up, and also it helps the organization in the entire sense.
Correct.
And then you spoke about one more thing, which was it was a teachers training program.
It's career cell.
Career cells. Now what happens again in colleges? There is a need for placement cell, for career cells.
Correct.
There are students who take the initiative to pick up information, give it to put posters and this and that. That is fantastic. But again, you need a professional somewhere wherein it has to be updated every time.
Correct.
And I do agree that the young minds are updated, but just information, I always say it is available on Google too.
Correct.
And
but how
with
to
that,
use the right
yes,
information?
And with that
important.
information, there is misinformation also.
Correct.
So you need to validate it, and that's how the need for a professional career counselor comes into picture.
Correct.
A simple thing is like when you have a headache or something, or a stomach ache. Correct. You have those home remedies.
Correct.
Or you have those little bit of pills that, and you makes it better.
Correct.
But if the problem persists, you need to go to a proper specialist doctor.
So
similarly for career, It cannot be that, I got so much percentage, that's why I took it, or my brother did it, or my father wanted me to do it, or my friends were doing it, or this is what is happening. That's not the way you choose a career. There needs a professional out there.
They're professional over
Yes,
there.
and that's why career cells are important in schools, colleges, for that matter, any educational institutes. Teachers training is also equally important. Similarly, parents also need to be equipped to face the challenges. They could be professionals, they could be, CEOs of their company or vice presidents of their company, having 10,000 employees and a great turnover. But what the child requires or what your teenager requires is a different thing itself. So, as I said, there are a lot of professionals in the field. Everybody has to be coming together for the holistic development.
Holistic development. Many a times I think parents, they are so busy in their own work, and many a time the child, they are neglected. As you rightly said, there are the various information which are available on the net, but all those information which are there may be right or may not be right.
True.
May not be right. Normally, if the self-esteem of the teacher is high, it had an impact on the learning process. So rightly, I think that's where Growth Center, they pitched in terms of having a training program or innovative way of teaching a program for the teachers as such. And anything about like soft skill and the life skills which you can throw light on that?
Most important thing, all these years, or maybe we are conditioned in our society that if it is so and so percentage or a first class or whatever, or I passed out from so and so engineering college or this management institute or so and so ABC college, that means I'm going to get a job and I'm going to be successful.
Right.
I would say you might get the first break, but to survive, you need to have the technical as well as the soft skills. When I talk about soft skills, it is about communication, presentation, team building, decision making, problem solving, risk taking, emotional intelligence, critical thinking. All this comes into picture.
Correct.
Now, unfortunately, it is not in the syllabus.
Correct,
Of any curriculum.
Correct.
So, educational institutes need to come forefront. That we have seen, there are people, I'm sure people must have come across that, oh, school mein to bahut badhiya tha, topper tha.
Correct.
Ab kya ho gaya?
But in college level, there is an issue.
Yeah,
Big gap.
maybe college, or after 10 years when you see that person, or 15 years you see the person, arey, iska kya ho gaya? Because maybe the soft skills were not there. We need to see our skill set, because today's challenges are different. What was that 30 years ago, or even for that matter 5 years ago, the demands are different. And so soft skills play. What happens is people feel that they are able to manage, but put them into the team, they might be an excellent worker. There's no doubt on that.
Right.
They might be having the best of ideas, but ask them to work in a team with certain constraints, with budget constraints, or maybe certain client demands.
Correct.
It goes haywire. And then there comes a frustration. They're not able to handle.
Off the track, like.
Yes, and it goes off track, and they get involved into things which are not required.
Correct.
Like जैसे होता है, there need not be a personality disorder. Normal लोगों को भी problems आते हैं. But understand, we are living in a different world by itself. So we need to gear up, and that's what the way the management jargon. We are living in a VUCA world.
Yeah, VUCA world. A lot of uncertainty.
Yeah, a lot of
like.
uncertainties. Pandemic has taught us a lot of things.
Correct.
Isn't it? But
what was your experience in last couple of years? Maybe the counseling, career counseling prior to this and after post-COVID. Like, what were the challenges which was there in connecting to the masses?
Challenges were many, as I said to start with. It was never a field which I started on. But initial years when we started, I still feel life was very simple that time. Parents were very open to listen to things. Children also knew that they did not know, so they used to look forward. But with the boom of internet and all, it came to a point wherein people used to come with printouts to me. We came across the generation, especially of the parents who were literate. I will not say educated, who were literate. Well traveled, good with resources, financial resources. And they started having a lot of questions about the education system, about the choices, about the behavior, everything. And the simple things started getting complicated a lot. And when the mirror was shown, the openness was not there.
Correct.
Then it was the word like, oh, you demotivated my child.
Rigidity.
There was rigidity.
Correct.
Oh, only 2 courses, only 4 courses. What about other courses? There are 10,000 courses, but what we are talking right now is only about what your child can
What
do.
a child can.
In fact, we see a lot of people are not open towards it. The acceptance factor.
Correct.
Next is also with all these things, online thing has come into picture. With the online and the kind of we say portals and I'll say artificial intelligence, machine learning, there are n number of tests available, n number of information and a lot of content on the net.
You get more confused like with lot of
but
content
over
which is there.
here, whether the test is standardized on Indian population, whether it is validated on Indian population, whether it is reliable, you need to see all these parameters.
Need to validate that.
These days we come across parents who would like to see, oh, you have given us a report, but this report is not colorful. There are no pie charts. And we are like, see, you wanted to know the child's this thing and I have given it to you. The presentation has started mattering more than the content part.
Correct.
More than people who are telling you what is the qualification.
Correct. Only they want an like rosy picture, like
rosy or maybe something colorful and
presentation.
what like that is what is happening. There's no harm in a child having colorful stories and books to get the initial interest. But understand when you're learning economics or psychology or physio, there is no going to be colorful pictures. So, oh God, these are boring textbooks cannot be the answer to this.
Correct.
And I get so amazed that the people who are working, the parents of this age are pampering to so much of an extent that the real crux goes behind.
Correct.
And there's a different thing by itself.
They get defocused.
Oh, a lot. And as you know, you might be an entrepreneur, आप शायद कहीं काम भी करते होंगे. जिंदगी ऐसी नहीं होती है. There is not going to be appreciation or change every time.
Correct,
ये जो
correct.
होता है, yes, our kids require appreciation, they require a support, but कहीं तो line drawing करना चाहिए.
Correct.
That is what, and be careful of what sites, through which channel you're getting the information, especially related to career. Again, when you're taking any career decisions, there are people who might share some good experiences and some could be really not so good experiences. You need to be very filtering that kind of information and then take it up. I come across students, मैम हमको ये कोर्स नहीं करना है, हमने सुना है ये बहुत अच्छा
they take their own views
कठिन है यार, इसमें पता है क्या पे पैकेज इतना खास नहीं है. Now I don't understand
from where they got the information.
And even if it is there, I always tell the parents, when you started your career, was your pay package similar what you started?
Correct.
So come to the real grounds. Like even if you have to employ your child in your office,
correct,
or in your business,
will
you give them that kind of pay for the skill set that he or she is bringing on the table?
Correct.
Come on, let's be realistic on that. So somewhere as parents, I would say as adults with experience, we need to show the other side of the coin also, and just beware whom you're following, in the sense, especially when it comes to the internet content or the aptitude test which you all are taking, you need to know whether it is the right kind of test also, because these days I get amazed by the number of tests which are there, 5-minute test and 20-minute test, and your aptitude is done, and I'll be like, oh God, why am I wasting 3 hours doing all this work?
Correct.
See, because
always I think what I would like to tell to the audience, Mrs. Swati Solke, she has been there for more than a couple of decades into career counseling. She has been a part of Times of India and then Mumbai Mirror on your CV and various articles what she writes for various newspapers, and she has been interviewed on various channels. So while searching out for a counselor, you need to see the authenticity of a counselor, and you need to understand the base and the foundation, which will make your child more stronger. So I think you can always go through ma'am's website. Her website is growthcenter.org, and you'll get all the relevant informations regarding to your student's career, regarding to academic enrichment, regarding to the visiting counselor, regarding to career cell, and regarding to maybe academic upskilling, assessment, psychometric tests, so on and so forth.
Yes.
Ma'am, thanks a lot for being part of this session. But one thing also we'd like to post-COVID, have thrown a lot of challenges for the teachers. Teachers are there for last so many years into the profession, and they've been teaching for a couple of decades again.
True.
But now the youngsters who are there, they're much smarter in terms of technology. So are you seeing that gap?
Yeah, I missed that question when you had asked that time. Yes, pandemic, the COVID has taught us a lot of things, and we all as parents, we have seen our youngsters, be it in any age group, be it in for the postgrad or undergrad or even schooling, our kids have lost it very badly, be it the academic foundation, be it on soft skills, be it on certain deadline driven things, be it on teamwork, or the actual part what you and me maybe learned through our in our schools, colleges and all. And yes, the teachers are doing a very I would say they're putting their heart and soul into it. The teacher would be knowing a subject very well, but maybe she or he might be just not a little bit techno savvy. You need to excuse on that and make your child understand post COVID, when we have to go the offline way, the concentration, the attention span of our kids is going to be very less. The irritation points, the ease of time, and there was no timetable life and all. In fact, the writing of notes is all going to be a challenge. You better gear up your kids for that, because it's not going to be staying permanent. Like as you see now this year, for the board exams in state of Maharashtra, they have increased to 30 minutes because
30 minutes,
children cannot
there's
write.
An issue like.
And I get amazed when parents tell it to me, ma'am, everything is going to be it is going to be paperless, so it's okay if the child types. Or it's in the textbook, so what is the need to write the entire notes again?
Writing ability will go like.
But this has a connection over here.
Correct.
You need
what you write, the thought process which comes in whatever you're writing.
Your brain cells get activated. You cannot, please do not nurture a child who will not be able to face the challenges in the future, because we will not be there that time and the challenges are going to be different. So make sure that you don't take any academic program that, oh, it's of no use. Why are you studying this? I would like to say that also, sir, on this platform. I see a lot of parents. Maybe they were not good at acads, or maybe they did not like their teacher, whichever subject, history, geography, and you see this, this videos coming in, oh, what is that maths thing with showed me, what is it that used to me, what was the point in learning that history, it does not help me. Hello, those are foundations. If you don't know that base, understand our Indian education system is a pyramid. We have basic sciences, maths, history, geography, the basic what you need to know, and then comes the super specialization. I'm not going to do this, so what's the use of learning this? Cannot be the attitude. The child needs to know what was there. Maybe he or she may not like it, may be disinterested, that is a very different aspect.
Correct. But you need to
know a little bit, at least when you name some historical figure or something related to today when you are working. Don't you think so? The balance sheet and profit and losses we are talking about all these things, then how can you not have a knowledge about mathematics?
Correct.
Parents, I get surprised that they are ready that, okay, no maths, but hello, for all the competitive exams, you need maths.
You need maths.
Whether you're studying in India, whether you're planning for studies abroad, or even for any kind of government services.
And even if they want to get into the business, you need basic finance as such.
My only thing is, do not devalue any subject just because you are not using it now.
Correct.
Right? Every subject is designed, or the curriculum is designed to suit certain function or certain work area.
Correct.
Maybe you were not good at it. Maybe you did not do vocational guidance. Maybe nobody guided you. But don't demean any profession, any subject. You might have had a bitter experience. I'm not denying that. But that doesn't mean it is bad.
Correct.
Each of us have undergone our share of good and bitter experiences. That cannot be the reason for not taking up or taking up something.
Correct.
जो होता है ना, मैं डॉक्टर बन गया तो तू भी डॉक्टर बन जा,
That's a
या मैं नहीं बना इसलिए तू बन जा. That cannot be the thing. There has to be objectivity. Correct. As I mentioned in the earlier thing, communication is the best way to avoid a lot of differences and coming up at an amicable solution.
I think so. What rightly Mrs. Swati Solanke, she narrated about, like we need to understand the child psychology. You cannot impose certain thing on your child, and you need to have a holistic approach in terms of teaching and learning. Learning is an ongoing process. It can once the time you stop learning, I think you're phasing out. So then something which you are missing. And always there has to be 360-degree approach in as for learning which are concerned. And maybe as rightly said, some of the subjects which are not of an interest to you, I think you need to understand some basic things about that particular subject that matters a lot. And the piece of the advice what ma'am she had given to the parents and to the students, I'm sure those are the the advice given on this TikTok platform. I'm sure this is going to do world of and good to the parents and to the students for making their career. Thank you very much for being part of this TikTok session. Thanks ma'am for sharing your valuable inputs with our target audience. And if you like ma'am's episode, please go to www.t.talk.net, subscribe and like the channel. Thank you very much.
Thank
God
you,
bless
sir.
you.